my channel. Yes guys, we have another mid-range device to unbox here sa channel natin. And this time, this one is from Vivo. We will be unboxing the new Vivo V20. Yes, alam ko naman kung gaano nyo kagusto yung Vivo V17 Pro, Vivo V19, Vivo V19 Neo, and ito na nga, sa wakas, masusundan na siya before the year ends ng Vivo V20 series. Actually, may Vivo V20 Pro din tayo, pero sa isang video natin yon. For now, itong Vivo V20 muna. So what I have right now guys is the 8GB RAM na mayroong 128GB of internal storage na variant. Yung box niya is actually all blue, tapos meron lang siyang pa-V na very subtle na highlight doon sa likod ng V20. Let's open the box. Excited na rin ako na makita nyo kung ano yung laman niya sa loob. So, once you open it guys, ang ganda in fairness ng box, ano? We have a smaller box inside. Ito yung itsura ng ating smaller box. Napakaganda, diba? Ayan, very unique from, you know, other mid-range devices from Vivo na na-unbox natin. May paperworks din tayo at nandun din yung aming panundot or the SIM ejector tool. And of course, it comes with a clear jelly case. So, sa ilalim nun, syempre, nandito yung ating phone itself. Ayan siya guys, napakaganda ng color, di ba? Anyway, aside from that, tingnan muna natin yung iba pa niyang kasama sa loob ng box. May libre tayong earphones na, of course, 3.5mm audio jack po. So, expect natin na meron pa rin tayong 3.5mm headphone port sa mismong phone. A USB Type-C charging cable. And meron din tayong 33W Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. So yes, yun lang po yung mga laman ng ating box. And ito na, finally, yung phone natin. Alisin na natin yung plastic. Magugulat kayo guys sa itsura niya. Ayan. Oh my God. Napakaganda ng color. Ayan guys, wait lang. Closer look muna para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung color na meron tayo. Ayan siya guys. Actually, hindi ko ma-identify kung ano ba talagang color yung meron tayo dito. But yeah, yung tawag po dito ni Vivo ay Sunset Melody. So we have a mixture of purple, blue, and then may pagka-pink, orange na rin siya. Depende kung saang angle nyo siya itatapat. It looks very colorful, so perfect na perfect po yung kasamang clear jelly case sa kanyang box. I-turn on na rin natin yung device, guys, para makita nyo rin yung itsura ng kanyang display. Ayan, while it's turning on, let me give you muna, guys, a very quick tour dito sa phone na to. So sa likod, as you can see, meron siyang triple camera setup. And then below that, we have the LED flash, and of course, a very subtle Vivo branding below. Sa kanan, nandito yung ating volume rocker and a power button. On top, we have a secondary microphone. On the left part, we have the SIM card tray that has a dual SIM and expandable via micro SD card. And below, meron po tayo ditong headphone jack, another microphone, USB Type-C port, and yung kanyang speaker grill. Okay, so for my first impressions guys, doon sa kanyang display, yes, it looks very colorful, probably dahil na rin doon sa kanyang, you know, wallpaper. I also noticed na meron siyang notch here. But aside from that, I'm guessing dahil nga medyo deep yung blacks natin dito and meron din tayong in-display fingerprint sensor kasi wala naman siya sa side. Nagustuhan ko rin guys yung kanyang side bezels, manipis lang siya. So I'm guessing guys yung kanyang display ay AMOLED. Isa pa guys, yung kanyang back part pala, kaya pala alam niyo yun, may heft to it siya. And yung pakiramdam ko sa kanya ay very premium. And nakita niyo naman din sa camera, it looks very premium din. Ay dahil nga besides dun sa kanyang napakagandang kulay, ay made of glass din siya. And to be exact guys, ang kanyang weight po ay 171 grams. So yes, that is it for my very quick unboxing guys for the Vivo V20. I'll be doing syempre a full review on this coming very soon. Abangan nyo na lang yun guys. For now, panoorin nyo muna yung isa ko pang unboxing which is the Vivo V20 Pro. Again, it's your Tagal Mary and see you on my next video. Bye!